Good morning again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Backpacktrader training room. Crude oil inventory report session for Wednesday, May the 22nd, 2024. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds that you can afford to do without. All right. So much for the disclosures for today. Our normal setup, crude full contract on Spotlight, 8-tick range bar on the right. On the upper left, unleaded, 20-tick range bar, also on Spotlight. And lower left is the counterpunch full crude contract on the 377 tick chart. Report should be coming out in approximately 1 minute. Okay, unleaded's gone too far to get in sync with that, but with the inventory report session, I typically try not to get in sync with these trades. We want to see new setups. Spotlight crude trade has also gone too far. Please do say hello in the chat. There's the report. So let's see where our reaction range is. So that's the low end of our reaction range, and so far, that's the high end. Unleaded going on a run there. So we're too far on all three charts for these to get in syncs. We'll look for new trades. There's a new short too early. Unleaded stops out and crude spotlight chart stops out. Crude 377 tick counterpunch did trigger short, so that at the moment that is a possible get in sync. Crossover filter on unleaded filtered out that short trade. Long trade set up on the 377 tick. Looks like the short is, and we are in our session. Long or short, there's another long, but we just triggered into the short. Long canceled. So we are in the short on the 377. And there is a possible stop and reverse at, that's going to be at, make that 78.01. It's going to be the full stop. Small little trade, because there's target 1 at 78.02. Just 6 ticks to target 1. Target 2 is 11. With a 5-tick adjustment there, because we go to 98. And I'm not going to take a trade 2 cents in front of the 78 full dollar level. Long trade on the unleaded chart and a long trade on crude. I'm going to push that up to 94. I don't want to go make too big of an adjustment. But that did spike right to the entry. So there, no, that's not quite our entry, is it? That's our entry. And we're coming close to money management. Targets 2 and 3 will be our active targets. Taking heat on our long trade. Unleaded stops and reverses to short. We stopped out of our original short trade. Now we have a new short trade. That was such a small trade and such a big adjustment. I would just forget about that. Just to ignore that one on the long side. We did come back to short. Money management is at target 2. And we have the same stop. Crude still surviving the long trade. Unleaded in the short. And 377 tick crude in a short. That is taking heat. And now let's unleaded. Another possible stop and reverse. 76. And we did trigger in, looks like. And we took the full stop out on the 377 counterpunch. So 2 full losses on the 377. In our first trade of the morning, on Spotlight Crude. Got within, looks like 1 tick. Yeah, got within 1 tick of money management. Having trouble getting up through that $78 level. And we stop and reverse back to short on unleaded. $29. Stop and reverse. Pull back the entry on the crude chart. Now back up at 70, right at $78 again. And money management. So we'll bring our stops to 94. Leave it there for break even. We adjusted up a tick, so that's why we're just at break even. And there's target 1. Attach this trailer to the trailing stop indicator. And target 2. So one and done session of the Spotlight. 12 and 19 it looks like. No, I'm sorry. 13 and 18. Target 1 was too small. 31 ticks. Like a nice solid win there. Unleaded, still in the short. In 4th trade of the morning. 3 stop and reverses. And it looks like we finally got a win on the 377, and now we're in a short. We took a target 3 win for 12 ticks and picked up another 5, 17 ticks. Now we're short. Thank you for saying hello in the chat, Steve. All right. Target 1 achieved on unleaded. Stop at 731. Actually, 728, because this was a stop in reverse at 29. So the plotted stop hasn't caught up yet. And we did stop out. We got just up to 47.28. Unleaded not having a good morning. Target 2 traders, that's the only thing we've had. Now we have a long trade at 31, it looks like. 32. $377 tick and unleaded having a tough time. In the spotlight 8 tick range. Got it done this morning. One and done. That's right. We did make the 1 tick adjustment, so 29 ticks rather than 31. And hit. Triggering a stop and reverse back to long from 11. Just a 3 tick adjustment. Actually, that will go to 21 for money management. And we will go to target 3 for 11 ticks. Unless we stop and reverse at, that's going to go to 77.99, 78.03. So we will remain in the long for the moment. unleaded, just out of sync. And we stop and reverse back to short. And this one's going to be another target 3 situation because their money management is at 93. Actually, it's going to go to 89. Small trades really get us a little out of whack on these. That trade is actually too small. So we don't stop and reverse on that one. We actually will maintain our, with the stop and reverse, it would be target 3 is not even 10 ticks. So we're going to stay in our long trade and see if it will go back again the other way. I didn't get far enough down the chart to look at that. Two ways to play that. You either just take the stop and reverse as an exit point, or you just ignore the trade altogether. Given how noisy this has been, I'm going to ignore it. And so it's saving us 5 ticks, or would save us 5 ticks. I like the stop sitting down there below the 200. And now crude starts moving up again. It's our 11 entry. Stop and reverse would have been a full stop out. And there's money management off the original long trade. Stop comes to 78.12. Actually, probably comes a little bit further than that even. Yeah, 78.14. And stops out at 78.14. Oh my. Tough day on our alternate charts. So we got 3 ticks times 2 on the 377. 6. So we've gotten 12 and 6, 18 ticks. Probably still not positive from what I've seen. Unleaded in the long trade. This is trade number 5 there. Right. Unleaded reaching money management. So stock would come to 33. Okay. Short trade set up on 377 that never triggered and then canceled. So we're still flat there. Three stop and reverses, a break even, a target 1 and break even. And now a money management, the 5th trade on unleaded. All right, stop on unleaded moves up to 34. And my system just froze. Okay, there we go. Wasn't sure what was going on there. All right, so Spotlight Crude is done. One trade and out. Unleaded in its 5th trade. Trying to get to some targets. Counterpunch 377 is flat. Let's see what we had here. How many trades have we had? That was a no trades. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that was 3 there. 4. There's nothing there. So yeah, 4 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 5. Oh, yeah, we've had 5 trades. So this would be trade. This would be the last. No, that's the end. 5 trades is our trade plan on the 377. So we are done on the 377, and we did get target 1, 47.49 for the trailer currently. Target 1 traders picking up a second win. Target 2 traders still looking for their first win. There is our objective right there. Unleaded trade plan can be traded with either target 1 or target 2. Getting close. Stop at 58, 758. And target 2. Stop moves up to 768. Let's see where we 786 to 44. So that's 42. 84 ticks. So that's going to be 44 to 76. There's another 32, 64. 152. 76 to 29. 47, 90, 94, 246, I picked up 2. Let's see, target 1 picked up 35, 36, 37, no, 36. And we stopped out at target 2 and 769. 732 wasn't it? Yeah. So 37 on the trailer. 63 on target. Exactly 100 ticks on that trade. So we're still down around 140. There's one trade to go. All right, we've been at it about 35 minutes on this session. So I'm going to bring it to a close. I'm going to try to look for one more trade on this one. It's after 11 o'clock. So, losing session this morning on the 377 tick counterpunch. Losing session on unleaded. Winning session on crude. Reminder, no session tomorrow. I will be dark. I'll be back Tuesday. Everybody have a good holiday weekend. And the crude oil inventory report next week will be on Thursday due to Monday holiday. Everyone have a good one. We'll see you next week.